Are you wondering if you should take the leap into an IT career, but you're still not sure whether it's right for you? Maybe you're just curious about how computers, networks, and all the behind the scenes magic actually work. Let me introduce you to CompTIA IT Fundamentals, ITF Plus, a certification that's all about helping you figure out if IT is where you belong. You won't need any in-depth technical experience or background to get started, so don't worry if you're new to the tech world. What is ITF Plus and why should you care? Think of ITF Plus as your friendly launchpad into tech. It's vendor neutral, so you won't be locked into learning just one company's products, like Microsoft or Cisco. Instead, you'll get a well-rounded taste of what technology involves, covering basic computing, networking, software, databases, and even simple security concepts. If you're a student exploring future career options or someone considering a big career change, ITF Plus helps you confirm whether the tech field resonates with you before you dive deeper. What you'll actually learn: IT basics and terminology. You'll get comfortable with buzzwords like CPU, RAM, operating system, and more. This removes a lot of the intimidation factor. Setting up hardware. Learn how to connect devices like printers, webcams, or external drives. This might sound straightforward, but once you know the why behind these steps, it makes a huge difference. Understanding software and applications. From operating systems, Windows, Linux, Mac OS, to different types of programs, you'll see how everything works together. Intro to programming. You won't become a coder overnight, but you'll understand the basic logic behind programming and the different categories of coding languages. Databases. Learn how data is organized, stored, and managed. When you hear terms like SQL or tables, you won't be left scratching your head. Security fundamentals. You'll get a glimpse into how organizations protect data, why encryption matters, and the importance of preventing security breaches, even at a basic everyday level. The certification exam, FC0U61. When you take the official ITF Plus exam, you'll face up to 75 multiple choice questions in 60 minutes. You need a score of 650 out of 900 to pass. It's offered primarily in English, so if English isn't your first language, it's a good idea to brush up on the relevant IT terms and practice reading sample questions. But don't worry, most exam prep materials and practice tests will guide you along, and the official CompTIA resources are clearly written. How ITF Plus helps your career. A taste of IT life. If you're on the fence about whether to commit to a technology career, ITF Plus gives you a trial run without plunging into deeper, more complex certifications. Entry-level roles. While it won't instantly land you a senior job, it does show employers that you've done your homework. Positions like help desk technician, customer support, or IT support associate become more accessible because you can prove you're tech savvy. Confidence builder. Earning ITF Plus shows you that you can succeed in the tech industry. This can motivate you to aim for the next certification, such as CompTIA A+, Network Plus, or Security Plus. And that's where bigger career jumps often happen. Salary potential. Realistically, ITF Plus alone won't skyrocket your earnings right away, but it does help you negotiate a better entry-level rate and positions you for future raises or promotions, because employers see you're serious about learning tech. Future-proof skills. Technology isn't going anywhere. Having even basic IT knowledge makes you valuable in nearly every industry, whether or not you stick with an IT-specific job. No renewal required. Another bonus is that ITF Plus is good for life. Unlike many other IT certifications, you don't have to renew it every 3 years. Once you have it, it's yours. That said, it's often just the first step in your tech journey. especially if you get a taste for IT and want to keep climbing. Where do you go after ITF Plus? CompTIA A Plus. If you like troubleshooting hardware and software and want a typical entry-level IT tech role, A Plus is the logical next move. Network Plus. For those excited about how data travels between computers and devices, learning deeper networking concepts is key. Security Plus. Interested in keeping information safe from hackers? This is a fantastic certification that can catapult you into cybersecurity roles. Whether you end up in networking, cybersecurity, cloud computing, or any other IT specialty, a firm foundation makes future studying simpler. And that's exactly what ITF Plus is designed to do. Getting started. If you feel a spark when you think about technology, whether it's setting up a home network, tinkering with apps and software, or simply exploring how computers work, ITF Plus can confirm that spark and help it grow. You'll learn the fundamental language and concepts of IT, build your confidence with hardware and software, and be better positioned to jump into more advanced paths afterward. Overall, CompTIA ITF Plus is about exploring, learning, and validating that you really do have what it takes to thrive in this field. If you're ready to take that first step, check out official study guides and practice tests, or consider an online or in-person training course. With ITF Plus, you'll develop a solid grasp of IT basics, and who knows, it could be the start of a rewarding, ever-evolving career in technology.